everyone, you with Crochet with Greta, and today I'm going to make this very quick and simple chili pepper keychain. It's very quick to make as well. Let's begin. This is everything I'm going to need. I will need dark green and my chili is going to be in red. A little bit of toy stuffing. I'm going to use 2.5 millimeter hook, scissors, yarn needle, keychain, and tool for the keychain. I'm going to start with my reds, and my first round is magic ring, and I'm going to do 4 single crochet into magic ring. This is my magic ring. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my first round. For my next round, I'm going to use a thin color of yarn that you can see where I'm working. I'm ready for my round 2. Round 2 is single crochet, increase, and I'm going to repeat this for 2 times. I have single crochet in the first stitch and increase in my second stitch, and I'm going to repeat this again, single crochet and my last stitch a core increase, and end of this round I have 6 stitches in total. I'm ready to move on my round 3. My round 3 is increase and 5 single crochet. End of the round 3 I'm going to have 7 stitches, starting with increase in the first, and I have 5 single crochet to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. End of round 3 I have 7 stitches in total. Ready to move on round 4. I have increase in my first stitch and 6 single crochet, increase and single crochet to the end, and end of this round I'm going to have 8 stitches in total. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For the round 5 I have increase in the first stitch and 7 single crochet. End of this round I'm going to have 9 stitches. I have increase in my first and 7 single crochet. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The round 6 I have increase in the first and 8 single crochet. End of this round I'm going to have 10 stitches in total. We're starting with increase 1, 2, and we are looking for this shape. This is what we're doing at the moment. When we do we're starting with increase each round. We're going to have this shape at the end. That's my increase. Now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and of these rounds I have 10 stitches in total. Moving on to round 7, and we're going to do the same. We're starting with increase and 9 single crochets. End of this round we're going to have 11 stitches. Increase in the first one, and we're having 1 single crochet to the end. I'm ready to move on round 8, and again I'm starting with increase, and I'm going to do 10 single crochet. End of this round I'm going to have 12 stitches. Increase and 10 single crochets. And 10. This is my shape that I was looking for. Now we are ready to move on round 9. For the round 9 until round 16 we're going to do single crochet around for 8 rounds in total. Okay. 1 single crochet around for 8 rounds. This is we're starting from round 9 until round 16. We're going to do exactly the same. Single crochet around. This is my round 9, and we keep repeating this until round 16. I'm already with my 8 rounds of 1 single crochet around. I'm ready to move on round 17. For round 17 we're going to change the color with green. I'm using dark green. I'll put all the colors that I'm using in description. And I'm going to change to green. And for the round 17 I have single crochet around. I'm not going to put my stitch marker because I'm using different color and it will be easy to see. This is 12 single crochet. Now I can cut the red. I'm going to tie them both, and I'm going to cut them as well. Now before to move on round 18 I'm going to add my stuffing. I'm not going to add too much because I want my chili to look like a pepper. So I'm going to just gentle with my scissors. Make sure I have the end as well. This is enough for now. You can see this is the shape I was looking for, and we're moving on around 18, and I have 2 single crochet, decrease, and I'm going to repeat for 3 times. End of this round I'm going to have 9 stitches in total. Starting with before start, I'm going to put back my stitch marker. This is different color. I'm using different color, but you can use a different color or stitch marker. Now we're going to do a single crochet up, single crochet in the first, and single crochet in the second, and in my third stitch I'm going to do decrease, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. Go crochet, single crochet, and decrease, and again single crochet, single crochet, and decrease in my last 2 stitches, and then do this around 18. I have 9 stitches in total, and now I'm going to move on my last round 19. I have single crochet, decrease. I'm going to repeat for 3 times, and end of this round I'm going to have 6 stitches in total. This is single crochet, decrease, single crochet, and decrease, single crochet, and decrease. I'm ready to cut a row. And just a little tiny bit, I'm going to add some more toy stuffing on the top here. Yeah, this is better now. I'm going to close the hole. I have a few toy stuffing that's sticking out. I'm going to hide the yarn and just I'm going to cut it now. Before to move on the next step, I'll just show you how to do the shape better. This is how I do. This is how I do, and looks a lot better because it's thin and shows this curve here a lot better. For the next step, we're going to use a dark green. I'm going to cut a long piece of dark green, and I'm going to do a base. I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll show you how I'm going to do them. I'm just going to start from here, and I'm going to insert my yarn in, and this is my round 16 in the round 15, and I'm going back to 16, and I'm going to miss one stitch, and I'm going on the second stitch. This is what I need to have, and I'm going to repeat this. I will miss one stitch, going to the next one. This is our round 16. And I'm going to do this to the end. I have 12 stitches in total. So I'm going to do in one, I'm going to miss the next one. I did here the wrong. Yeah, it's all fixed now. I'm going to do the last one. And if you like, you can repeat the same. So to be like double, to show off more. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to keep repeating just the same to the end. I'm going to tie the yarn in cuts and heights. This is my red pepper ready. Only the keychain is missing. For all of you who's going to use as a keychain, I'm going to place my keychain, or you can leave it just like that. I'm going to place the keychain right in the top, in the middle, and we are ready. It was very quick and easy to make this very cute chili peppers. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Crochet with Greta. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and cute tutorials. See you next time. Bye.